Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and I wanted to share you the recap of my trades today. And today I traded four triggers, but there are many trades within that. And I guess it's because the market is a bit choppy and and in the beginning, whatever I touch it, it's not going in the particularly in the right direction. So let me share you a quick overview what I did. So my first trade was on VIAC. I shot it over the 81 after the first 4 minutes, and then I took my first partial here. If you see here on the 79, then it went back up, touched my stop loss, came back here. I added into the position. It closed to 79.75. I added more because I thought it's gonna break this time, but then it's pulled back again, and then I have closed my position when it went back because I was now full size and I don't want to take it's getting so choppy. But then what happened is that you know if you look at it again, then I was stopped out again, and then the moment it came back down again, I added, and this become my winning trade into a losing trade. I already had a very good partial, but then it touched, broke the 79, and it's clearly pulled back up, and now went back all the way to the 84. And I think this trade was unnecessary. I was thinking that I was stopped out here, but it was a wrong stop because move continues. So if you see, it broke down. I was wanting to take a profit after the 1 point of break, but it didn't go smooth again, and it just now went back up, and then I stopped out. So this was my first trade on my two trades on a VISC. Then I had a third trade on VISC as well, and I will let you guide you where it is. Then I basically trade here, my third trade here. But now, because of this second trade which went back up, now my I already lost my profit, and also I lost because I created a new position here, so I had a big 1 point loser. I was a full size, so I really had a bad loss on it. And then I added when I saw that it's rejected the VWAP again, and I went back to the position here, and I did some partial here, but and some partial here, and given all these partial, I managed to recover the loss and also able to get 1 hour. So that was a nice trade for me, but I couldn't get the big run up which I was expecting early, and neither I was able to enjoy my uh, first this as well. Then I traded the uh, Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix was a good trade. Uh, so Stitch Fix I have two trades. So first trade I went in here 51.40. I took the first partial here because I was not sure whether it's gonna, because there's so many bottoming tails here. So I took my partial here, and then moment it went back up again, I closed the trade. Then I traded again, a second trade. I went under 50 here. Not here, I guess. I is a big consolidation here. I entered here and I ride it up to the 49. So these are my two trades. AMD was AMD was very interesting. So AMD, I went short here, and it gave me almost 60 cent, but I was expecting a break of 75.50 and more. But you know it went back up here, and then I basically stop out, and I only had maybe, yeah, I only had a $12 profit because I didn't let it go against me, because I was thinking that the way it is making a base here, I was thinking it's going to pull back, and at that time, market was also pulling back. So I didn't. And then I traded the last one is a dash. Dash was just a quick scalp, and is only 30 seconds trade. Uh, so very small size, only 200 shares. So because see here, it ran up all the way up, and as was be expected in the pre-market show that it's gonna gap up. So I basically entered here. I shorted here, and then I covered here. So it's almost 1 point. Yeah, I think it's pulled back. It was spready, so I only able to get 80 cents out of it instead of getting a $2 move, but I only able to get 80 cents. But then I stopped out. I completely close it because I don't want to take a risk here. Uh, is See here the more if I think I did the right thing because if it's pulled back up and since this was a gapping up, so I was not sure whether it's going to go back up again or what, right? So it's a bit of risky trade, so I only scalp for a few cents. And now if you look at it here, it is going is really go instead of in negative, it become a 7.5% positive now. So overall, I had a good day, no complaints. Is almost my 2.5 hour day, which is really good, I guess, and I'm happy with it what I had. But I think it could be a better if I have managed my VIAC trade better uh, and not let this run second time to stop me out. So anyway, this is part and parcel of the game, and it happens, right? So what you can do. So as I said that I have a good news for you guys to share that I can lead now World Series day trading program. So if you wanted to join my team, feel free to join and let me know is if you want certain things to improve in the recap. I can try to add that notes, and also I might not able to join for pre-market session tomorrow. I have some urgent things to attend, and if I be available, I will join you back. If not, then I will see you on Thursday. Thank you very much. Appreciate everyone. See you on Thursday, and I hope you guys also have a great green day. Thank you.